Hey loves, it's me Deedee and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own butt cream. Like, you can even turn it into a very lucrative business. And if you're going to stick around to the end, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, make it go viral, go to the comment section, let's discuss, we need to talk. And please don't forget to follow me on my IG at @edimich on the screen. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. So guys, my table is set already with the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. First of all, we're going to take 1 teaspoon of shea butter, then add it to our mixing bowl to melt. So the next thing we need for this recipe is fenugreek oil. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek oil to this shea butter and mix them properly together. As this cream is very effective, it's very effective. The results are super amazing. So the next thing we need for this butt cream is a coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very good essential oil. It's one of the best that has been used back then to firm the butt, lift it and make it look bigger. So coconut oil is a very good essential oil. So we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix properly like that. Next thing here is the apple seed oil. We need 1 teaspoon of it also. Probably we are going to be using 1 teaspoon each of all the oils I have here, except for the shea butter. So this apple seed oil, I made it myself. I made the fenugreek oil, which you saw earlier, myself. Next thing here is the extra virgin olive oil, which is also a very good essential oil that's used to lift the butt, firm the butt and make it look bigger. You're just gonna add 1 teaspoon and mix properly. So we have the fish oil here and we're gonna use 1 capsule of a fish oil and mix properly. Guys, this cream is very effective, super effective. When I mean super effective, I mean you see results, especially with the olive oil inside it, the coconut oil, fish oil that helps to give you excess fat. So what we need here also is a vitamin E oil. You guys know what a vitamin E oil is good at. It's going to reduce the stretch marks that's going to appear on your skin once you have this pronounced part. When your butt is getting bigger, it's going to really bring out stretch marks on your body. So as this butt cream is produced this way and we have vitamin E oil in it, it's going to reduce your stretch marks. So I added shea butter and I mixed it for a thicker result, and this is my super effective butt cream. You can also use it on your hips, on your breast. You can use it to massage anywhere on your body. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is probably the end of this particular video. Thanks for staying tuned to the end, and I hope you have your ingredients ready there with you to make your own cream. So please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comments, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification beside it so you always be notified anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.